Hi, good morning, everyone. Let's give a few more minutes for others to join. Hi, Savita. So we'll be starting the session in next 5 minutes because we are waiting for
Okay,
other
sir.
participants to join. Today you are online.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I asked the question
Yes.
regarding your any data bar. The question was if you observe
Oh,
in the particular cell you have background color as well as the main data bars.
main data. Yes.
That is my question. Why you have background color? It's not required.
Okay, it's not required, sir.
Background color is not required, only data bar is required.
Okay.
If you look at the screenshot, na,
Yeah.
at a screenshot, it is showing background color as well as data bars.
Yes, both are switchable.
So that we don't need it.
Okay, sir. Today I will make.
Hmm. Can you see here the data bar and the color? Orange color and the data bar. So background color we don't want. So put it this background color manually, kya?
Yes, sir, manually.
No, that is not required.
Sure.
Sir, I do have a couple of questions, sir.
Yes, yes. Please ask.
Shall I share my screen?
Sure, sure. 1 minute. Let me first close my other files. Yes, please. You can share the screen now.
Let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. So here I kept the last name, first name,
Um,
and the middle as the gap, which is a space. So I did the control E. I got whatever I would like to have with the separation. Here I kept 3 apples and 4 oranges, and 3 apples and the space 4 orange. I got 3 apples, but I'm expecting 4 orange here, which doesn't happen. And I kept two space dogs, space four, space cats. So I got two dogs, two space dogs here, and I'm expecting four cats or at least cats, because if it
hmm.
is only the last word which doesn't have space, at least I'm expecting cats here or four cats with
Hmm.
game. Here 5 pants without any space and six space
Sorry.
space saris. I got 5 pants. I got saris. Six doesn't came. That's fine. Here, as I kept a space, six doesn't came here. Here I kept 5 pants space six
Got
without
it.
saris. I'm
Got
expecting six saris here.
got a question. So the one thing is in this flash fill. In flash
Mhm.
fill, very, very important thing is your formatting.
Okay.
Formatting should be same. Example, column L, go to the L4, masterpiece.
Okay.
Then chicken biryani, then you have mutton curry and everything, right?
Okay.
See, everything like kind of one space is common everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Now go to this three apple and four oranges.
Mm-hmm.
Here, three apple, then you have space, right?
Yeah.
And then four, then there's no space,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Right.
And you have two dogs and four cats. So everything should be kind of same formatting, okay? Then you
Okay.
can, example, just put the same formatting for all this. Then try it once and let me know.
If that is the case, then this is the same. 3 apples. We don't have any space, like this is you can consider as the last name and this you can consider as the first name.
Space is there, right?
Space is there, like the other
Ah.
one.
Correct, correct. Now
But-
go to the next line. For 2 dogs and 4 cats, remove the space from 4 and cats.
Okay. And
Yeah.
2?
And from 2 also remove the space here. And
Okay.
put a space between this one, dogs and 4.
Yeah, it's already there. Space is already there.
Then go with this and try it once. Hello, I'm in session. Okay. No, go first. Okay, clear. Oh, go up where you
Okay.
have written this oranges, right?
This one.
Go down. Right side. Delete it and remove it again. Sorry, delete and type in 4 oranges
Okay.
manually. 4 oranges. Whatever spelling you have, type in the same format. Now Control E. Remove this, the below one. Correct. Go there and show me that whatever you write there.
Where?
3 apples, apple and 4 oranges. Show me this. It's 4. Okay, oranges. Okay.
We do
then-
have space here.
Okay. Same format. My only point here is you need to have the same kind of formatting. It should be working. Okay, give it try after this class. If it doesn't work, then reach out to me again. Okay.
Sure. And one more is this one. So month. So I got February, April, August, everything.
Mhm.
But if we went to the 2 digits like October and December, for
Mhm.
October I got 0 and for December I got 2.
December you got 2, October you got 0. Okay. Up to okay 07. Go up, remove this 2. No, month only.
Mm-hmm.
Month only, remove this 2. Remove everything.
Okay.
Now write it there. 02, write 02. Now Control E. So okay, month you want, right?
Yeah.
Month is 02 only. Why it is not showing 04 then? 2 is fine. Then it should be 04, right?
2, 4, Control E. Yep.
So 7 and 10 and 12 is not working, right?
Right.
Okay, just change this format to text format, the entire this column. Go up. No, this entire column.
Okay.
Yes. Delete it and change it to text, and try it now. Write 02 and Control E.
Okay.
Okay. Done.
Yeah.
Sure, then. Any more questions?
No, that's all.
Perfect. Okay, can you please stop sharing so that I can share my screen?
Thank you.
Okay, so I see online participants Savita, Sai, Sagar. Ayappa, Giri. Okay. Let me know once you see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can.
Okay, so yesterday we discussed about this filling option also, right? Flash fill, then Siri justify. What is this justify? Hmm?
On a particular form in a column.
Yes. Correct. Okay. What is shortcut key of flash fill?
Control E.
Control E.
E. Okay. What is the shortcut key for this fill series number? Fill series number we discussed. No, Alt E, I guess. Alt E plus I guess. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay, guys. Okay, so yep. In home only we discuss this filling option. Okay. And conditional formatting we covered already. Yeah. Format table we covered. Cell style also we covered, right? Covered, not covered? Covered like, okay, let me show this to you 1 minute. Example like nothing but what is cell styles? Nothing but let's suppose here I have fill color is no fill and font color as black font. Do you see any cell color for the headers?
No.
So the heading wise, if you look at here home ribbon, under home ribbon, I will go to cell styles. In cell styles, can you see this headings option?
Yes, sir.
Themed and cell styles. If you choose this, see the formatting of this. See this formatting. See, heading change.
Yeah, yeah.
This already, right? Okay, discussed now already. Okay, then done. Okay, so and then this also we discussed already. Insert cells.
sir.
Yes or no? Correct now? Okay, move or copy also we discussed already. Move and copy. Delete sheet, formatting like move or copy. This thing did we discuss? No? Are you sure? Okay. So now let's discuss this. I think we discussed. No. Okay. So I'll tell you example. In this file, I have so many sheets. I have so many sheets, right? And I want to create a new blank sheet here. New blank sheet here. I can right click and I can click on insert and then I hit OK. Worksheet I want to insert it. Correct? How can I delete it? Right click and delete. Gone. Instead of that, simply I can go there and I can also click on insert sheet. Can you see? Insert it. Two ways. First way is right click. Second way, go there and insert it. Go there and insert it. Right? Second way. Again, I can delete it. Third way is I can also use the shortcut key. I can also use the shortcut key. The shortcut key for this will be Shift plus F11. Can you see here? Shift and which key? It will be giving me new worksheet. It will be giving me new worksheet, right? That's how I can do it. I can put my cursor here and then I can hit Shift and F11. Can you see? New sheet inserted. 3 ways to do it. Mostly in my entire class, I will be showing you 2-3 ways to do. Mostly for each and every option. Correct? This is done. Now, insert sheet done. Delete. How to delete also I told you, right? Insert cells. Example. I have a table. Let me copy this. New workbook shortcut key is Control N. Control N. Control C, Control V. Done. Now here I want to insert and how to auto fit the column height and width. See, can you see here? Just select this, click on this arrow and double click on any of the column like this. Double click, double click. I'll tell you example. If you have worked on, by the way, this will be formatting now. I'll tell you here, don't worry. Okay, so here I want to insert a cell. Insert a cell. Go there, insert cell, insert cell right, insert cell down. This cell 98,000, I want to shift this cell down. Only cell got down, not the entire row. Not the entire. If I want to shift this entire row down, then I have to insert a row. I have to insert a row, not a cell. If you are inserting a cell, then this particular cell will be moved down, not the entire row. Look at here. Insert cell. If I say down, what happened? Only cell got down, right? But what if I want to insert a complete row here? Then I will go insert. I will go to insert sheet rows. Blank row inserted. Blank row. I want to delete this. Again, select it, right click, delete here, or simple select it and go here and delete sheet rows. I can also insert a blank row from here, right click and insert. That's what I'm doing, Control Z. Now, I want to insert with the help of shortcut key. With the help of shortcut key, I want to insert a blank row. I want to insert here. Let's suppose I want to insert here. Either I can right click, I can click on insert, or I can go to home ribbon, I can go to insert, and then I can hit insert sheet row. Two ways to do, right? Third way is with the help of shortcut key, I want to insert. Shortcut key, please write it down. It is Control plus. Write down. Again, you're not taking your notepad. Why? Office. This time. This time. Oh, coming from there directly. Night shift. Huh? Done. Now control plus. Control. See? Again, control plus, control plus, control plus, inserting. Control minus is deleting. Control minus, control minus, control minus, control minus. I'll tell you one thing. In few of the laptops, I'm not talking about the keyboard, because keyboard we have that numeric keypad side. Right hand side will have a numeric keyboard. Right hand side bottom corner will have that keypad, numeric keypad. But in laptop, nowadays in laptop we do not have separate numeric keypad. You have numeric keypad here. You have all the numbers here, right? Above. Yes or no? In that case, we will be having this plus symbol where about to this bracket wala tab. Here we'll be having this plus symbol. Whatever key, if you want to use, whatever key is there upside of that particular key, then we have to use shift button, right? The shortcut key to insert a row is nothing but control plus only, but the plus symbol, since it is on above on this key, right? Plus and equal. If I simply say, let me put my cursor. If I simply say this plus symbol, if I enter, what is entering? I need to use plus. Then I need to use shift key, right? If I use shift and this same button, then in this case it will use control shift. Control shift. Plus I can choose this control shift. If you have numeric keypad, then shortcut will be control plus. You have, then you can use control and. If you're using this key, this plus symbol, then it has to press with shift, control shift plus. Clear? Because I'm telling you all the potential questions which may arise anytime. Done? Okay. I want to delete this row, control minus. Three ways to do it. It's up to you. Whatever you want to use, you can use. Better go with shortcut key, control press, control minus, removing the blank row. Done? Any questions, online participants?
No.
Any questions?
No.
What is the shortcut key to insert blank row? Control plus. How to delete the blank?
Control minus.
Control minus. Or how can I insert with right click? Right click. How can I insert? Select this and right click on it and click on
Exactly.
Same thing, delete is also there, right? Any questions? Inserting rows and deleting rows, inserting cell, deleting cells. Any questions? Insert cells, insert sheet row, insert column. How can I insert a column, blank column here? Right click and right click insert. Or same thing. What is shortcut key to insert? Control,
Control plus.
control minus. Any question? Excellent. Okay. Now I want to insert a new blank sheet. Either you can click on it plus symbol. Here it is fine because I can directly can see the plus symbol here. But how about here? Do you see any plus symbol here? Why no? It will be in the and here. Because there are so many sheets available already, right? Either you can click on it, but if you click on it now, see if I click on it, sheet 4. Or directly what you can do is directly click on it and you can click on, sorry, sheet, insert sheet. And shortcut key to insert a new sheet is Shift F11. Write it down. Shift F11 is the shortcut key to insert a new blank sheet. New blank sheet. वैसे नोटपैड लेके आओ तुम, है ना? Practice. Done. Now, my next requirement is I want to create, yes, please. Thank you. I want to create the same sheet, same data. Nothing but I want this table, I want this content in a new sheet. How will you do? Might be you will just insert a new blank sheet now. Insert new blank sheet, hit OK. Then you will see entire data from here, Control C, and you will put it here and you will paste it here. This is what you will do. One way, right? Manual thing. Other thing, what I can do is I can delete it. Delete. What I can do is I can right click on it. I can click on more copy. More copy. I will choose create a copy. Creating copy, right? And I want to create a copy and move to the copy before sheet. Where you want to move? Before filling sheet, example, this sheet. Before this sheet, it will be inserted here. The copy of this. Before sheet means before this sheet. If I'm choosing this sheet, then it will be inserted before this. Formatting. Okay. Let me choose this filling. Before this sheet, I want to create a copy of this. Copy of which sheet? This sheet. Create a copy before sheet filling, hit up. Can you see filling 2? Then you can rename it. Done. Delete, right click, delete. Not only this, not only in the existing workbook, I do not want to create a copy. I want to create a copy in a separate file. Example, can you see this book 1? What is this file name here? I want to insert that particular sheet. I'll copy this sheet and create a copy of this into which file? Another file. Right click, more copy. Okay, create a copy, and I want to create in another book. Which book? Book 1. Okay, and I want to create a copy, move to end. I want to move this, create a copy and move this to end. Hit okay. Can you see now? Book 1 inserted here. Done. Not only this, not only in this, I want to create a separate copy of it, separate file, altogether new workbook, altogether new workbook. Right click, more copy, create a copy and new book. Choose new book, hit OK. Altogether new workbook, book 2. Can you see here? I can close this. This is book 1, and whatever I close, that was a book 2. Done. Any questions so far?
Sir,
Are you
what is view code, sir?
What is
View code. When you right click on the sheet, you're going to see that sheet.
No, I'm not getting, sorry.
So click on filling, sir. Sheet name. Right click. View code. Below move on.
View code. I'll come into this. Don't worry. I'll come into this. Okay. Insert cell, sheet, column, insert sheet. Any questions? Delete. Any questions here? Right? No question? Format. Row height, auto fit row height. Example here. This is the data. This is the data. And I want to format this. Let's suppose you've been assigned a project. Okay. Or let's suppose you're working in a reconciliation team, counting team. End of the day in accounting team, reconciliation team, if you have reconciled the balances, you have done a great job. You've done a great job. That is the main output for the reconciliation team. I can quote an example in your academics also. There was a chapter, bank reconciliation statement, right? BRS, right? Commerce, right? No commerce. BTech. BSc. Commerce. And then we have studied, right? BRS, bank reconciliation statement chapter. There we used to reconcile the bank statement. Yes or no? Past book versus cash book. Yes, correct. Let's suppose you have done this work and you work on a project. Everything worked well, but the only thing is when you send this file to your boss, he's not happy. Why? You worked on the balances, everything got reconciled, but he's not happy with this file. Why? Because the
Formatting issues.
is not correct. Formatting is not correct. See, what is this column? What is the row? This is kind of row, right? This side, this is column. What is the row width here? Right click, and what is the row width? Row height? 15. Here, what is row height? Not same, right? Either you can choose this row height or select this, or maybe directly go there and click on row height and you can create it as a 15, hit OK. Set. Again, you can go there and you can say 15 and say OK. But instead of doing like this, what you can do is select the entire data and double click on this any of the row. You will find this plus symbol. This plus symbol will be whenever your row is getting started or getting ended. Getting started, getting ended, getting started, getting ended, but it will not be working on middle. You have to choose any of the row from like this, double click on it. Can you see? This is called row auto fit height. Row auto fit height. This is the perfect way to do it. Example, this time it was not row wise, it was column wise. Do you think that if you are sending data like this, he will be happy? She will be happy? No. Same case, select all. This time column has to auto fit, right? Go to any of the column, right click on, double click on it. This is called column width or auto fit column. Done? Column width or auto fit column. Any questions? Delete it, okay. Now, let's suppose you have extracted the data from SAP, SAP, okay, in your project, and you're pasting data here, okay, and the requirement was, let's assume, although it is an employee data only, let's assume this is extracted from data from SAP, and the requirement was to send only for how many employee IDs? First, second, third, or fifth. They need it. What you will do for rest of the employee IDs? What you will do? Delete it. It's not required because the requirement is up to 5. what you will do? Delete. How can you delete it? Control delete or control minus? Control minus. If you simple delete it, what happened? Formatting is there. If I say control minus, what happened? Including the formatting also deleted. Got it? Now you send this file to your boss as per his requirement. Okay. Now he's asking you that, can you please add 6 to 10 employee IDs also? Then what you will do? This data you have sent it, format and sent it to your boss. Now his another requirement is what? Can you please add employee ID additionally from 6 to 10 also? First to fifth is fine. He also needs a 6 to 10. 6 to, how will I add it? Again, you have to go back to system and you have to pull the data. Pull data. Then again, you have to paste the data underneath here, right? This is all you will do. Instead of that, what you can do is, let me press Ctrl Z in this file, Ctrl Z, because see, once you work on the file, save the file, close the file, send the file to your boss. After that, you can do Ctrl Z. मत सोचना कभी भी फाइल ऑफिस आ गए कंट्रोल Z कर देंगे, नहीं होगा वो. जब ट्रेन निकल गई तो ट्रेन निकलने के बाद वापस थोड़ी आती है, कभी नहीं आती ना. हाँ, स्टेशन पे ट्रेन है, चेन पुलिंग कर लिया तो ठीक है, हो सकता है, चांसेस है. 3 किलोमीटर की आगे चले गई ट्रेन तो देन कहाँ से चेन पुलिंग करोगे? तब चेन ही अवेलेबल ही नहीं है खींचने को, राइट? यस और नो? ये चीज है. डोंट थिंक कंट्रोल Z कर देंगे, उसमें नहीं होता वहां पे. ठीक है. I am telling you, I understand that this is a very silly question, but still I am telling you is because of freshers, you guys. Okay, working professional, they know it. Done. Now, Control Z. What I can do is I can create a copy of this file. Create a copy, move a copy, create a copy, move to and done. And I can say raw data, RAW, raw data, and I can say that this is working data. Which data? Working data. In working data, he needs now up to, let's suppose, 10. Delete. And then you can send it. It's fine. But you want that he should not see this file, this sheet. Right click and hide. Hidden. Right click and hidden. That's okay. Send this file to him now. It's okay. Done. Now, if he needs, okay, can you please add 2 more employee IDs? Not an issue. You can unhide that raw data and you can copy this 11, 12, copy and paste it here. Then again, you can hide this. It will save your time. It will. And whenever you work in Excel file, na, until unless if it is very confidential, okay. If it is very confidential, then do not go with this approach. Okay. Let's suppose if you're working in a payroll team, right? A payroll में किसी को data चाहिए, employee ने कोई query raise किया, ठीक है? You have sent that particular employee data, particular employee salary, bonus, everything. What if you have hidden that and sent this file? And you know, like mostly working professionals, they know it. They can unhide that, and they can see the other employee details also. Then you are gone. It's a big issue. You cannot see other salary. You're not supposed to see. But it's my fault. Being a payroll team, I have sent this to you. In that case, never ever do that. So you should understand the criticality of the data. If it is very sensitive data, never ever share the raw data. Okay. I'll tell you one thing. I've hidden that. If I am right clicking on it, can you see this unhide option? Is great. It's enable. It's enable, right? It means something is hidden. Yes or no? If this is enabled, then something is hidden. I'll click on it and I'll say it okay. Raw data है. घर में देखो छोटा घर में बच्चा रहता है. There will small kid at home, right? तुम उसको बोलो कि no, don't touch this. क्या करेगा? टच करेगा. पक्का करेगा वो. तुम उसको रिवर्स बोलो. रहता ना ऐसा, देखे kids को, don't touch this, don't go there, don't eat this, don't do that, right? They will do this for sure. करते हैं ना? ऐसे ही होता है वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स में भी क्या होता है कि definitely if something is hidden, right? Mostly they will check, okay, only one sheet, let me check it. Oh, something is hidden. Okay, this is enable mode. Which mode? Then he will, okay, raw data, then I'll check this. But what if instead of hide from here, instead of hide from here, I'll click on view code. Someone asked this question, right? I'll click on this view code, add raw data file, right? Choose this raw data file sheet and go in the last visible. Click on this, very hidden. If you choose second hidden, then it will be normal hide. We choose the third wala, sorry, ये वाला last wala, very hidden, and close and close. Raw data file is hidden. Right click. What happened? बहुत कम लोगों को पता है ऑप्शन.
I
Very,
have a question, sir.
sorry.
I have a question, sir.
Hmm.
So as there is no unhide option.
Your
Instead,
voice is breaking. Hello.
no, sir, am I audible?
Now it's okay. Tell me.
Okay, sir. So now it is the unhide option is not highlighted. So it means that we cannot see that sheets which are hide, right?
I mean to say that now the sheet is hidden mode and you cannot unhide from here. Okay,
Okay.
this unhide option is disabled now. But
Okay.
you know that you have hidden that sheet. I want to visible that sheet again. Again, what I need to do? Click on view code and I hidden this row. This one, right? Row data. I'll do what I'll do. I'll click on it and I'll say visible and close and close.
Okay.
Visible. Can you see? But
So for example, sir, I change the settings. I send this file to you by unhiding that as in very unhide that one. So are you able to change the settings again?
I can do. Example,
Okay.
suppose if you are sending this to me, I know this option, right? But most of the person they don't know this view code option. They never ever use this. Mostly they don't do this. They simply right click and hide this. They never use this. Let's suppose you're sending this to me. I'm aware about this function. I'll simply go ahead and I'll check it. I can unhide that. Right? But tell me one thing. Let's suppose if you're working in 10 different files every day. How many files? Do you have that time in
10
office?
sheets.
Do you have the time in office to check each and every file like view code and check
Right.
it and count how many sheets are there, how many sheets hidden, not hidden? Do you have that time? No. No one will do it.
No.
In real-time projects, no one will think on it. No one cares which sheet is hidden or not. Simply if they see here, and then they will check it. But they'll never ever go with this option. Clear?
Okay.
You send me 10
So
files.
for example, sir.
Yes.
So for example, sir, I have 10 sheets.
Hmm.
Out of 10 sheets, I hide 5 sheets with very hide that option.
Yeah.
So can I unhide bulk instead of going view code again and again doing that?
Sheet 4 and raw data, I both have hidden view code and sheet 4 and raw data. See, raw data and sheet 4. I cannot select these two. Only one by one I'll go there. Very hide, sheet 4, very hide. Close. Okay, done. Again, I'll go to view code and I want to visible, right? Raw data and sheet 4.
Right.
Not possible. Bulk, unhide, hide are not possible. Done?
Okay. I need to manually open each sheet.
We have to go one by one only.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
We can hide, but not very hidden. We cannot do very hidden in bulk. It should be one by one only. Done? Any question? Now this Rename sheet. Rename sheet means I can rename the sheet. Double click on it or right click and rename. Or go there and click on rename sheet. More copy already told you, right? Tab color. Let's suppose I have two different sheets. Tab color I want to give this color as, let's suppose, working. So I want to give a tab color to this. Right click here or tab color. You can give any of the color. Or I can, what I can do is go there and I can say tab color. Choose from here. Can I see tab color down? Here I want to give yellow tab color to this. Right click, tab color, yellow tab color. Done. Then next is protect sheet. This protection part will be covering as part of our review tab. Not here. Format cells already we discussed all these things. Right? We discussed already this part. Now this part, it's part of formula section, not here. Already discussed. This part we'll discuss now. Let's suppose if I simply, let's suppose here I have EX. Here I have EX. I have yellow color, fill color, red color, font color, and shift F2. I'm giving comment like Excel and application. Done. If I delete this, deleted. If I delete this, what happened? What happened? Only value deleted. Only value is getting deleted. Right? But I won't delete it. I won't delete everything then. I told you this already also, I think, if I'm not. If I simply delete it, what's happening? Only value is getting deleted, but not the formatting, not the comment. Option is this. Clear all means Control Z. If I say clear format, tell me result will be formatting will be deleted. What is the formatting here? Cell color, yellow. Font color. Comment is a part of formatting or what? Comment. Comment is not part of a formatting. Formatting is a part of like cell color, bold, italic, font color. Okay. So clear format. What happened? Formatting one. If I say I want to delete comment, clear comments. If I want to see clear content, what is the content here? Excel. If I want to delete everything, then clear. Mostly we are using clear all. Mostly we are using clear all. Done. Now the sort and filtering will be discussing as part of data tab. Sort and filter. Find and select. Find and select. Very, very important. What is shortcut you find? Control F. And replace Control H. You can write it down. Find Control F and replace Control H. Which Control H for replace. उदास लिख लिए उदास उदास बोलते क्या होता है हिंदी में क्या उदास इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं उसको सैड उदास पंकज उदास बोलो जिसकी गजल लिखता है देखो पंकज उदास उसकी बात करनी ठीक है done. Now let me go back to the sheet, this one, and let me go. We are filling. Yes. Okay. Here I want to replace Okay, here I want to find Excel. How many times Excel is there in this range? 1, 2, 3. This Excel same. Excel, I'm only talking about single word. Excel is same. This Excel is same. This is in which case? Proper case. This is which case? Lower case. Proper case, lower case. Correct? I will find Control F. I want to find EXCL. Excel. Tell me, if I say find all in this range, the result will be how many times? 3 times. Find all. See the result. How many times? 1, 2, 3. How many times? This is called your book name. This is your sheet name. Sheet name is filling, and this is called your which cell it has. Which cell? It has 13, 17, 12 cell number. Okay. Then complete word is this, and this. Done. 3 times. But what if I want to find only this Excel? This case. Which case? This case. This case is which proper case, right? This I want to find. Control F and Excel. Can you see this option? Match case. Match case. Okay. And find out. This time it will be 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Done. Difference between without match case and with match case. Is it clear? If I can find it with match case, I can also replace with match case. Let's suppose I want to replace Control H. I want to replace find what Excel and I want to replace as with Word. Tell me how many places it will be changed. This is my range because I put this check mark 2 times. Replace all. Can you see the result here? How many times change? 2 times. क्या रिप्लेस कर दिया वो कंप्लीट मैच केस को ना डाल के डाल दिया चमत्कार को क्या कर दिया था लाटकार डन सही पकड़े गुड एग्जांपल कंट्रोल एच ठीक है इज इट ओके नाउ कंट्रोल जेड अगेन नाउ I want to search for Excel. Search for Excel with which color? This color only. Can I find it? Tell me how. Find. I want to keep on find. Tell me. Excel is there. Match case I'll apply for sure.
Format set.
Format. Choose format from cell, from this cell. Done. And find all. How many times? What should 3 times? I'll tell you 1 minute. Range selected. Control F. Let me clear find format. Excel, I'm going to find it. And format. Font color. Font color is which font color? This one only, right? Hit OK. Find it. You could not find what you will click options for more ways to search. Okay. Clear find format. Let me choose from cell, from this cell. Let me choose the entire thing with this color only. And then let me say Control F, Control V, and format, this format. Cell number W and Z and W. 12, 12, 19. Nothing but 12, this, 19 is this. Should work basically. I don't know why it's not working. So let me start with same case. Let's suppose Excel, Word, Excel, this Excel and this Excel. Let me give a color to, let's suppose red color. Okay. Now I'm searching for EXEL match case I want to search for, and format I'm looking for font color as a red font color. Put okay. Okay, match case Excel find all. 2 times. This time it will be. Now see 2 times it's showing, right? Not as a 3 times, 4 times. Yeah, it should be working as with this type of single word only. Done. Find replace also you can change it. Just need to replace it. That's it. Go to and go to special. Okay, tell me, where is my cursor now? Which cell number?
AC15,
Now?
AC73,
Now?
AA71, Z68, Z59.
Now you take me in cell number A1000. How will I go? How will I go? Find out. Okay. बोलिए. What the question? What is the question? Question क्या है बोलो पक्का विकास.
पर्टिकुलर सेल में जाना है.
हाँ, correct. बोलो कैसे आना? मैं बता. ठीक है. I'll go to a column A, right? And I'll go to 1000, right? I'll drag it down. Yes or no? ऐसे जाओगे? ऐसे जाए तो ऑफिस वाले बोलते घर को जाओ कल से नको आओ ऑफिस. हैं? से नको जाओ. सिंपल यहाँ कर्सर रखो, टाइप करो A1000, हिट एंटर. ठीक है? ऐसे मत जाना उनके सामने. A1000 बोलते
You
कर.
want to pay B100 also we can do.
फिर बोलो कि कहाँ से सीखा एक्सेल एक्सेलेटिक्स से. अरे और नाम नको भाई. ठीक है?
You want to pay B100, B100.
हाँ, B100 go there. But never ever delete this, okay? कहीं भी जाके डिलीट कर दो तो उसको यहाँ पे तो नको करो. यहाँ जाके कर्सर कहीं पे रख दो कर्सर, बट चेंज क्या करना है? सेल में चेंज नहीं करना है. तुम यहाँ जाकर ये चेंज यहाँ टाइप कर दो कि A1000 हिट एंटर. तो ये डेटा भी गलत, तुम्हारा जॉब भी गया. नेक्स्ट डे से ऑफिस नको खत्म. ठीक है? यहाँ टाइप नहीं करना, यहाँ टाइप करना B100, राइट? सी B100. डन.
B100. I want to find one employee like Deepak. Deepak employee का नाम convert करना है तो उसको जाके आप connect कर सकते हो.
कंट्रोल F मारो ना. F. हाँ. मुझे सुरेश करना है. सुरेश कहाँ पे? इसमें सुरेश. कंट्रोल F करो, सुरेश टाइप करो. गूगल में कैसे सर्च करते हो तुम? ये क्यों नहीं आ रहा? बताओ क्यों नहीं आ रहा? व्हाई इट्स नॉट कमिंग?
Format.
क्या नाम है? Now it will find all. See, one time it is here, right? गूगल में फाइंड कैसे करते हैं? टाइपिंग करते हैं गूगल में. चैट जीपीटी, गूगल बार्ड, गूगल बार्ड सब में चेक करते हैं. चैट जीपीटी यूज करते हो? और क्या करना चाहिए? Done? Any questions? Okay, now let's go. Let's try this. What is shortcut key to enter comment? Shift 6. देख लो, it's okay. देख के बोलो. हैं? ऊपर है ना, नहीं लिखा है ना कभी? Shift F2 होगा ना? नहीं है. Shift F2. See, Shift F2. I can insert comment. Shift F2. Here I want to insert Shift F2. Here I want to insert Shift F2. Done. Here I want to insert comment. 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 So many comments, right? How many rows? How many columns we have? 576. 10 lakhs 48,076. Okay. Column some 16,000. Example. 16,482. 16,482. 486. Whatever it is. है? अब तुम्हारे को एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं मैं. हाँ? Listen it carefully. The question is, okay, first you tell me, how can I delete this comment? First you tell me. Simple. Okay, tell me, how can I delete this ABC or BAC? How can I delete this BAC? Simple delete. How can I delete this comment? Simple delete. नहीं होता ना? कैसे करना है इसको?
Clear comment.
Deleted. अब इस पूरी फाइल में जहां भी कमेंट है ना, तो डिलीट करो.
Okay, delete comment.
करो. करते. How many columns there? मैं आंसर कर देता हूँ. Shift F2 दिया. एक में बीच में यहाँ लगा देता हूँ. एक में लास्ट कॉलम में यहाँ लगा देता हूँ कहीं पे भी. तुम्हारे पास इतना टाइम है कि तुम पूरा शीट चेक करने बैठोगे? तुम्हारे से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था कि इस फाइल में जहां जहां पे भी कमेंट है, जहां जहां पे भी कमेंट डिलीट करो. टेल मी गाइस. बोलो. समझ में आया क्वेश्चन? ये ऊपर से गया. क्या है क्वेश्चन? You have to delete all the comments in this sheet. In this sheet, tell me. Here.
Yes.
Comment. No comment. Select the sheet. Clear? Done.
Clear.
ये तुमने बता दिया. ठीक है. मैं तुम्हें फंसा नहीं पाया क्वेश्चन में. I'll ask another question. The question is this. यहाँ पे क्या है? Formula is there. Okay. अब बताओ. The question is this. यहाँ पे क्या है? Here do we have formula? Here. Here. Now select those cells wherever I have the number formula. This is number formula 60. Result is coming here. Here no formula. Here no formula. Now you tell me. Select the sheet. Which formula? Here. It's not there. No hit and trial. यहाँ पे नहीं देता. Right click. Okay. It's not there. What's the question? The question is select those cells wherever I have number formula. Which formula? Number formula, and give a color to that cell as yellow color. Which color? That is my format. Any idea? Last time it was select data set, clear comments. That's fine. But here,
In
any
formulas, we can go for show formulas.
in formula, we can go to show formula. Yes, it can show us, but how will you color those cells? That's correct. I can say show formula. In this cell I have formula, this cell I have, this cell I have formula, right? But I want to color it. If I say again, click on it, the color is not there. Can you see the color here? Yellow color, no, right? Here, color will not be there because this is not a formula. Here, no formula, but color should be here, right? Let me change this also. In that case, you can't go and select, check each and every cell. In that case, what we can do is we can go with this option. First, go to, what is go to? Also, I want to go to A1000. Type in A1000 and hit OK. Where is my cell? Either you can type A1000 here, or you can go with this option, go to. Shortcut key for go to is Control G. Write it down, please. Control plus G. Shortcut key for down. Shortcut key for go to. Control plus G. G as well. G as in golf. A as in alpha. B as in. बताया तुम्हारे को स्पोकन में बताएं स्पोकन क्लासेस में बताएंगे शायद. A is in alpha, B is in foxtrot, C is in Charlie, D is in delta, E is in echo. Like if you're telling your name to foreigner, how do you tell your name to them? If they do not understand, then you have to pronounce your name phonetically. Phonetical symbols are there, right? Like A is in alpha, B is in Bravo, C is in Charlie, D is in delta, E is in echo. ये क्या है? अच्छा अक्ल नहीं है अच्छा डन ओके इसको फिर से ऑन करेंगे अपन कल से याद दिलाना. Okay, what I can do is this time I'll go with this option. Simply I said copy and paste. Earlier I told, right? If something is I'm pasting, that is called paste spatial. Same thing here. Go to spatial. If you're going directly to any cell, then I can click on go to and I can choose it. But I want to go for any special thing. Go to spatial. And I want to go for which formula I am looking for. Hit OK. Now see, formula is here, selected here, selected here, here. Now I can simply go and color it. You know, see. Go to special. Control Z again. Now simply I want to go with the comments. Comments, hit OK. All comments selected. Right click of any of the comment and click on delete. Wherever in this file the comment is there has been deleted now. Done. Now I have formula here. Can you see the formula? What is the formula name? Concat. Formula name is concat. Which formula type it is? Text formula.
Text formula.
Rohit Sharma. Text only, right? This formula is a number formula. I want to select where I have applied text formula in this sheet. I can go with formula and what I choose? Okay. I am saying 10 is greater than 5. Saying 10 is less than 20. I'm saying 10 is less than 5. These are true, false are what? Logicals? Boolean logicals, right? I want to select those formulas. And go to special. What I'll select? Tell me. Any question? So go to special comment. What is constant? What is constant? This is ulta of formulas. This is reverse of formulas. I mean, wherever the formula is not there, wherever formula is not there, highlight those cells. Highlight those cells. I can select this constants and hit OK. Okay, select all. Put the cursor here. Go there, go to special constants and hit OK. Can you see? No formula. Can you see? This has not been selected. Why? Formula is there here. No, here. But here selected. Why? Then how to
remove all the formulas from the sheet.
all the formula from a sheet. You can go to that particular like all the formulas. You can go there. Go to special formulas. Select. Be it text formula, number, logicals, errors. Now selected. Delete it. Done. Okay. Did I answer the question? Happy? Close it.
How to convert all the formulas into the
Huh?
how
How
to
can-
convert all the formulas into number and text, whatever it is, default format.
what is the format?
If there is a formula is there, right? I want to convert all the formulas into number format or text format or logical format or whatever format.
How it will be possible? Tell me. If name is there, Rohit Sharma is there, 10 is there, how it will change? This time this is number. It can't be changed.
But formula is there.
Not formula तो रहेगा ना.
I want to
Delete the formula.
delete the format, convert it into format.
Values. Just values में transfer करना पड़ता है उसको. First we need to copy and change into this one values. Go to special formulas, hit OK. See, control से यहाँ पे काम नहीं करेगा. Control नहीं होता select. You can't. This is done. Got a special. Is it okay? This part. Row difference, column difference. Okay. What is row difference? How many rows I have here? Let's do it fast now. How many rows? Quick. Tell me, guys. How many rows in this table? 3 rows, right? In this row, what is the different number? In this row? In this row? Select this. Go with. Go to special. And row difference. In this table, how many columns I have? In this column, which number is different? Okay, by the way, why I am going again and again and selecting this option again, going here. I don't just want to create a QAT QAT for this. How can I create that QAT? I want to add here that QAT. How can I add it? Add it here. Now this is my range. Click on it directly. Column difference. Can you see in this column which number different? 252. Done. Yes. Blanks. आएंगे सर, आएंगे, उधर भी आ रहे हैं, पहले इधर आने दो ना, इधर से इधर आएंगे. डोंट फोकस दैट सर आपने वो कवर नहीं करा, जो कवर करा वो तो प्रैक्टिस करो पहले बैठ के. फोकस ये किसी के स्टूडेंट का, सर आपने वो चीज नहीं बताई. ठीक है भाई, स्माइल सर, जो करा वो तो करके बताओ पहले. करेक्ट ना? रहता कई लोगों का, आपकी बात नहीं है, रहता कई स्टूडेंट ऐसे भी रहते कि सर आपने वो नहीं बताया. ठीक है, यू पेड 5,000 रुपीज 6,000 रुपीज टू अस, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. पूरा मजा देंगे तुम्हारे 6,000 रुपीज का, डोंट वरी. स्टिल लेट मी फिनिश. जो बताया वो तो प्रैक्टिस करो बैठ के. वो करे प्रैक्टिस, कैसे बोला करे जो बताया अब तक. Okay, blanks. Okay, what is blanks is means what is my requirement here is requirement is this. You have to enter a blank row. You have to enter a blank row after each row. How will you enter? You will go here, control plus. You will go here and control. You will go here, control. If 10 lines are there, how many times you will enter? 9 times. Yes or no? If 100 lines are there, how many times you will enter? If 1000 lines are there, how many times you will enter? 999 times. बैठोगे करोगे बैठ के ऐसा करोगे मेरे को तो वही बता. Now you tell me how can I enter a blank row here? Alternate row, blank row. You get the question? If there is 1000 times or 1000 rows, then I have to enter how many times? 999 times. Now I need to enter a blank row after each row. Guys, what I am telling you, these all the things are very important. All that's very small thing, but you tell me. Fill the sheet. Go to special. Okay, 1 minute. Sheet or the or the only table. Table. Okay. Go there then. Blank then. There's no cell is blank. Okay, let's do this one exercise quickly. Serial number 1. मैं इसको sort करता हूँ डेटा को. Tell me, this one is here. Now this one will be coming where? Under this or no? If I'll sort this data, yes or no? If I say data, I want to sort this data sort based on this serial number smallest to largest. Can you see? Arrange. इसमें कोई question है? इसमें कोई गिला सिकवा? हाँ? कोई गिला सिकवा इसमें? कुछ भी नहीं. Happy? तो दुख? इसमें नहीं. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे? इस डेटा सेट में I do not have serial number, right? What I need to do is I need to insert one column. Okay, I will insert serial number here. How many numbers are there? One, two, three. Insert the numbers. Inserted. One more time, I'll copy these numbers. Copy and paste here. Done. What I'll do is I will copy this entire data set. Now what I'll do, I'll go with sorting option serial number. This one is here, right? If I sort the serial number smallest to largest, now this one will coming where? Under this. This 2 will coming where? Under 2. Do you have any data here? The blank. It means it will be considered as a blank row. Serial number, serial value, smallest to largest. Done. Job is done. Now delete it. I do not need it. भाग यहाँ से. भाग गया वो column. Control minus कर दिया. ठीक है? I do not need it now. Now my job is done. Now I can format it. हो गया. अब मैंने तुम्हारा काम करा, इतना बड़ा फेवर करा, तुम मेरा फेवर करो क्या? You have to delete the blank rows. Whatever I inserted for you, I did a favor for you. I did a great favor for you. Now you have to help me. Tell me. Tell me.
Replace Control H.
Control H. No. Go there and click on blanks. अब पंकज जी सोच रहे हैं मैं पहले बताया था वो यहाँ पे आ गया. ठीक है. Select it and click on blank. Hit OK. Now blank selected. Right click and delete. Right click and delete. Delete the entire row. I want to delete entire row. Hit OK.
Okay.
Back to square. back to Pavilion. Done? Now, good exercise is you have to enter a blank row. You have to practice. Take any table, insert serial number, take serial number, copy and paste one more time, sort it. It's already been recorded the session, right? Check it there in recorded video and practice on it. Yeah, this is the one practice for you today. Okay, then current region, current area. What is current region? If I'm putting my cursor here, current region means entire table I want to select. Entire. Shortcut key also I told you yesterday, Control Shift and 8, number 8. Or what I can do, go to Spatial, click on done. Now this 30 is coming from where?
Okay. Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes, please go ahead. We can't hear you.
Please read the last one, sir.
No, we can't hear you.
The last one. You said. Can you please repeat the last one, sir?
The last
Go
one.
to.
Which one?
Current region.
Okay. Let's suppose I have a table.
Mhm.
I have a table like this. I can go there and I want to select the entire table. Entire table I want to select. I can go there, go to Spatial, and I will choose current region. Hit up. Select it. And I can copy and paste anywhere. Done?
So what it means actually?
Current region means the entire table region.
Oh,
The shortcut key for this also you can use Control Shift plus number 8. Control Shift number 8. Done?
okay. Control.
Now, whenever we join any new company, let's suppose
Okay, sir.
तुम्हारा selection हो जाएगा, then you will join a new company. After that, company will be giving you insurance benefits, right? In insurance benefits, you have to give your dependent information. Okay, you have to give our parents' detail. Suppose if you're married, married or unmarried? Unmarried, okay. In your case, it will be the parents. You are married, right? In your case, your parents will not be covered. Your spouse, I mean your parent, and if your kids, then kids also will be covered. Okay. In your case, your parents will be covered. In that case, let's suppose if you are the employee. If you are the employee is here. Okay. For employee, mother and father is the dependent. For employee, wife is dependent. शादीशुदा हो, बच्चा है, बेटा है, बेटी है, वो भी covered. Dependent. So all these are dependent only. Yes or no? Yes. Dependent कौन है? These many person. Dependent on employee. Same thing here. Let's suppose 30 is here. This 13 number is dependent on these two numbers. Can you see the formula? 10 plus 20. If I putting my cursor on 30 and I want to see that, go to Spatial and I want to see that dependent, hit OK. 50. If I putting my cursor here and if I say go to Spatial precedence, this 30 is dependent on 10 and 20. For this 10 dependent is 30. For this 20 dependent is, if I'm putting my cursor here and I want to see what is the dependent number on 10. Number on 10, it will be number 30. Now this 50 is coming from 30, 20. This 30 is coming from indirectly. I mean, if I'm talking about direct, indirect, this 50 is coming from 30 and 20, but indirectly coming from 10, 20 and 20, then 10, 20 and 20. Yes or no? I want to know all the levels, dependents. So all the levels president I want to know. What is special? What is 50? This will be president. This will be presidents. All the levels. Presidents, all the levels I want. All the levels. Can you see? This done. This is not so important, but good to know. Okay. Last cell, visible cells only, current region, current area objects. What is objects? Picture, shape. Let's suppose I want to select these shapes and I will delete it. How will you select all the shapes? Objects are all the shapes and all. Can you see the selections? Simply you can delete it. Control Z again. Current array. What is current array? Current array nothing but see what if I am entering some numbers. Let's suppose here I want to create a table. Table of 10, table of 20, table of 30, table of 40, 50, and so on. Okay, that I want to create. That I want to create it. I'll put a formula there. This range multiply by this range. Hit enter. Can you see? Done. But this is not in current array. See, if I'm putting my cursor here, can you see the formula highlighted? But I'm putting my cursor here. What's happening? Grayed out. But here, now this whatever first cell is there, wherever I put a formula, I'll go there. I hit F2 key there, and I'll say Control Shift Enter key. Now this has been changed into which array? It has been changed into now in array. Can you see this curly bracket? Now this is also not so important, but if I want to say current array, what is current array from here to here? Yes or no? My current array. That I want to select it. What is special? Current array is this. Hit OK. Can you see? But if I select current array in table here, there is no array, right? No array. It is showing me no array only, but this is not display. No cell were found. But why it's showing for this? Because this is an array. इतना important नहीं है वो. That's okay. Done. Last cell. Visible cells. Conditional formatting. Data validations. What is last cell? Last cell nothing but this.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, what is the use of that array, sir? Do you have any use or
We are not
advantage
using
with
it
that?
in terms of if you want to create any kind of like random series kind of data. Let's suppose I created a table of 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, right? In that case, we use array. Otherwise, array is not so required. So 10, 20, these numbers I wrote it manually. These numbers I wrote it manually, right? And then I want to create a table of this, table of 10, table of 20, 30, and so on. I put my cursor here. I'll take this range. This range multiply by these numbers. Hit enter. See the table of 10, 20, and so on. Now in the same range, currently, do you see that curly bracket here? It's not into array. If I delete this, everything will be deleted.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
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 Now I will change this into array. How can I change this into array? Control Shift Enter. Where?
Control
Where
Shift.
you find the formula. That particular cell.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Control Shift and Enter. F2, Control Shift, changed. Okay, in this sheet number is this. Let me put some formula 10. Result is I'm deleting this. Okay, putting my cursor here. Remember this cell number. Cell number is I'm putting my cursor here. Last cell hit okay. मतलब समझो उसका क्या है? Wherever I applied the last function or any operations, if I did it in any cell, take me that particular cell. It's showing me here. If I'm putting my cursor here, done. I'll not take much time for now. This one I'll tell you tomorrow. These three, not today, because you also have another class, right? 11 o'clock sharp start हो जाता है. 11 to. Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Please practice. ठीक है? चलो, bye everyone.